Hello guys, good morning to each and everyone. This is Annie PH Vlogs. And thank you for your greetings yesterday, Ice Cube, CC Elwin, and Jazz, and everyone, especially to my family. Thank you so much for your greetings and the love of your the elders, the elder daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Luchavez. And thank you for my brothers and everyone, to all my friends, my elementary and my high school days, especially to my college days. Thank you so much for your greetings. And uh, Annalyn Ragwal from Cotabato, Philippines, and Florilyn Satoros from Philippines also in my college day, and everyone and my friends. Who else? Alvin Enriquez, thank you so much for your um, greetings for me yesterday, and also my sister, thank you so much. And they have more, I forget. And my greetings for my FB and messengers. Thank you so much, guys. And especially to my business partners and my co um, business partners, to my upline, Mr. and Mrs. Rubante. Thank you so much for your guide for me, ups, and again, thank you so much, Evan. I'm not at too much attending of our meetings. You can um, update me about the meetings and our um, project and our teams. And to my YT friends, thank you so much also for your greetings. And always, I'm fighting my WH. I need my WH of 800, guys, so that can I finish my 4,000 WH. The one playing for my video, thank you so much. And what else? For my live stream, it is okay. I'm silent live stream because for my work is different. I have a few time only to face to my visitors, and thank you so much for my new friends, my new subscribers, and my viewers. And again, uh, that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and more power. God bless us all. This is IDPH, and once again, good morning and salam alaikum.